So here we are at Shanghai Toy Expo. I'm here with Solan. It's very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So Solan, can you introduce a bit about your company for me?
My company is locals in Shantou,
Okay.
and our factory is cover more than 800 square meter.
Wow.
And with 20 staff and advanced production line.
Okay, so you have a lot of experience, I would say, in this product. And so what are your main markets of export? What countries do you export to?
My major country is the US market,
Wow, okay.
and EU market, and South American, Middle East, and Asia.
Wow, so you have all those major markets in the
Yeah,
world.
overseas.
Like so worldwide almost. It's very cool. Okay, so and when you're exporting to these, I know like safety is a top priority and also product quality. So can you tell me what certifications do your company have?
Well, certificates with ASTM, CPSIA, EN71, the normal one,
Okay.
and UKCA, etc.
Okay, so as we know, like safety is that top priority. It's very important for our children that we have that safety, but also it's very important we have fun too and get to have fun with each other. So show me, what is going to be the newest product that you're going to be introducing?
Our newest product is like this.
Okay, wow.
It's the second generation, the water boom,
Wow, okay.
robotic arms launcher.
Okay.
Yeah, and show you like this.
That's a and these are water pellets as well, so there's no real like fully danger with the like.
Yeah, it's not dangerous. We have the goggles.
Yeah, so there's big. It's like while even it's like the most fun thing, it also has all these amazing designs. It also has the safety included as well.
Yeah.
And also, can you tell me what, like, speaking of fun times, what's your best seller that we have
The
here?
best seller is this butterfly. It's the electronic butterfly ring,
Oh my god!
and like this.
It's so pretty.
Yes, and have the backpastries for the childrens, like the backpack.
So as they grow older, they can also modify and like extend the straps as they get better. And so it also has different lighting modes as well.
Yeah. They have three label switch like this.
So you can flap and you can fly around almost.
Yeah. And the second is just without the music,
If you want to just do it quietly and you want to fly and sneak around silently, you can fly around. So if I ever wanted to find more information for this company, how could I contact you?
Yes, can contact the emails and also the QR code for the WeChat and the WhatsApp.
So we have WeChat and WhatsApp, and we have the email and also telephone number as well. So
and also we have the Facebook.
And a Facebook profile, so there is no shortage of ways to contact and get in touch with your company.
Yes.
So it's been very interesting talking to you. Thank you so much for showing me these things.
Okay.
And I'm so excited to talk to you more.